Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Jamaican Mannish Water, aka goat head soup, aka ram goat soup. What you will need to make this goat head soup or this Mannish water, you're gonna need goat head, and you're gonna need feet, intestine. Yes, I know it sounds gross, but yes, intestine, bits and pieces of the leg, the feet. Yes, with some meat on it. Come on, you need something to bite. And yes, stay tuned, guys. Remember to wash your meat. It's important to wash it. I'll be using vinegar and lemon to wash my meat thoroughly. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using in my Mannish water or goat soup. I have carrots, I have garlic, I have scallion, I have onion. So this is one large onion. I have about 4 stalks of scallion. I have my coyote, my 3 chochos. I'm going to also use Irish potato too. I have my cocoa. I also have 3 green bananas, my yellow yam, and definitely I'm going to make some spinners. Spinners are actually dumplings. I have my black pepper, my all-purpose seasoning, my ram goat seasoning soup mix, and I have my cock soup. Now you can also put turnip if you want in it. You can also put, if you have white yam, you can put in it. You can put sweet potato if you want. You're just gonna do it according to your liking. Okay guys, step 2 guys, to a pot of boiling water, what you can do is put your water on, bring it to a boil, and you're going to add your meat. That's what I did. Let's take a look. It's extremely hot, so I add the meat inside. And then to make that flavorful guys, so this is the meat, I add the meat inside. I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add a handful of my pimento. I am also going to add my thyme. Shout out to my mom, that's coming straight from Jamaica. I'm also going to add my onion, my scallion, and my garlic, just to keep the aroma, just to, the flavor. I have about 7 pieces of garlic cloves, and I have about 4 stalks of scallion. Now guys, we're gonna allow that to boil for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then we're going to add the other things that we discussed earlier. All right guys, so the next step is that you're going to wash your ground provisions, right? You have to get them clean guys. We don't know where these things were, so we're going to wash them. I always wash them with a little vinegar. Wash your ground provisions. Start peeling your ground provisions, but leave the skin on the green bananas. These are all my peeled ground provisions. I'm giving them a second wash. Remember to keep the skin on the green bananas. I'm going to knead my dumplings, aka spinners, using ½ teaspoon salt along with cornmeal, flour, and water. I'm gonna check my pot. Oh my god, the aroma. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little meat test just to see if the meat is cooked. Once it's cooked guys, let me see, still a little bit hard. So what I'm going to do, always allow your meat to cook. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to also put 2 teaspoons of black pepper. I'm going to add my ram goat soup mix. I'm also going to add my cock soup. And I'm going to mix well. I'm going to also do a taste test. All right, guys, so it's a little bit fresh. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add just a little bit more salt. Add a teaspoon of salt, then mix well. I'm going to add some carrots, green bananas, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Allow this to cook for about 10 more minutes. Remember, your meat must be cooked thoroughly before adding ground provisions because you don't want them to break apart while the meat is still not fully cooked. This is a step-by-step process. After 10 minutes, it's now time to add my ground provisions and dumplings. Allow this to cook for 35 minutes or until everything is cooked thoroughly. Let's check on our pot after 45 minutes. Wow, it looks good. It smells good. It's Mannish water. This is what it should look like. It's not a very thick soup. I'm going to do a taste test. If it needs more flavor, you can always add all-purpose seasoning or salt. It's ready. I'm going to make myself a bowl. I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, guys, let's take a big look at our soup. Yes, this is it. I'm gonna make me a plate. My plate is right here. So I'm gonna go down, get me some meat. Oh my God, guys, this looks good. This looks good, guys. Need some meat. Definitely one dumpling. This is the end product. See you in my next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and give your heart to Christ. Bye, guys.